My name is Rutu Telwadia, and today I'm going to explain the working of face detection based on image processing using embedded system, along with my teammates Rushi, Raj, and Giriraj. Topics to be covered in this: objective, introduction, image processing, list of component, block diagram and working, flowchart of project, flowchart of image detection, advantages and remedies, future work for research. Objective. The main intention of our work is to suggest a possible method to detect the face, and we use the effort for the protection for the house, data analysis lab, medical research lab, etc. This project is allocated to new to this market due to open CV and also fulfill the need and greed of the market. Introduction. In recent days, the need of biometric security system is heightened for the providing safety and security against the terrorist attack, robbery, etc. The demand of biometric system has risen due to its strength, efficiency, and easy availability. One of the most effective, highly authenticated, and easy adaptable biometric security system is facial feature recognition. Next point. An image recognition algorithm take image as an input and output what the image contain. Face detection is a computer technology being used in variety of applications that identifies human face in a digital image. The face recognition system work on hard cascade method. In hard cascade method, first is captured image and then it's calculated the common area of face like eyes, nose, lip. Then after it's calculated the black and white pixel of another face area. The image processing is used in regular life in a fingerprint lock, face lock, etc. Face detection basically is a security purpose. Face detection algorithm focus on the detection of a frontal human faces. It is a analogous of image detection in which the image of person is matched bit by bit. Image matches with image stores in database. Image processing. The method of image processing is used to do some process of a picture like a image enhancement or the remove some functional data from the image. Image processing is also said computer algorithm to perform image processing on digital image. Digital image processing has many advantages than analog image processing. It allows to apply a wide range of computer and algorithm to applied input data can avoid problems such as build-up noise and signal distortion during image processing. The digital image is a part of multidimensional system. Image processing. A digital image is an array of real and or complex number represented finite number of bits. Component of image processing: image sensor, image display, image processing software, OpenCV and CIMG. Further, it will be explained by Giriraj.
So the list of components we are using in this project are Raspberry. First one is Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a series of small single board computers developed in United Kingdom by Raspberry Pi Foundation to promote teaching of basic computer science in schools and colleges in and developing countries. The next component we are using is Type C power supply. The official Raspberry Pi USB-C power supply is designed to power the latest Raspberry Pi 3 model B boards. So there will be one 5.1 volt and 3 ampere output, over voltage and over voltage protection. The third component we are using in this project is memory card. We are using Samsung Evo Plus Grade 1 Class 10 32 GB micro SD card. Memory card used for a ROM of Raspberry Pi 4 to store operating system for Raspberry Pi and also processing code. Moving on to next component we are using is micro HDMI cable. Micro HDMI cable used for display to show Raspberry Pi desktop and also connect Raspberry Pi to the monitor desktop. The next component we are using is our camera module. The Raspberry Pi camera module has a Sony IMX219 5 megapixel camera. The camera module can be used to take high definition video as well as still photographs. The camera module is very popular in home security applications like home automation and in wildlife camera traps. The next component we are using is a servo motor. A servo motor is a rotary actuator or a linear actuator that allows for precise control of angular or linear position. Servo motors are used in applications such as CNC machinery for a mechanical branch or automated manufacturing, operate as a remote controlled or a radio controlled toy cars, robots, and airplanes. Servo motors are also used in industrial applications, robotics, in linear manufacturing. Moving on to Rushiv.
Okay, so this is the block diagram of the our project. So first, as the image is taken in the project, so the input image will be gone in pre-processing stage, where this all the functions will be applied on it. And so first the it will do a face detection, the face will be detected, and segmentation will be done, like it will be divided into different segments. Then aligning and cropping of the image will be done. And as we want to process the image, so it is compulsory to convert the color form to grayscale. And then it will do the eigenfaces, which means it is the name given to the set of eigenvectors when used in the computer vision problem of human face recognition. This all the process will be done in the pre-processing stage, and the features will be extracted from the this processed image and the original image. And then it will move on to the classifier, and in which the image stored in the database will be compared with the original image. And then if it will match, then decision algorithm will define that the person is identified or not. Working. Face detection is a computer technology being used in variety applications that identify human faces in digital image. Face detection also refer to the physiological process by human and locate the to face in a visual scene. Face detection can be regarded as a specific case of object class detection. In object class detection, to find location and size of all object in an image to belong to give a class. A facial recognition system is a technology to identify or verify a person from a digital image or a video frame from a video source. The facial recognition system works by comparing selected facial features from given image with faces within a database. It is also designed in a biometric artificial intelligence based application that can uniquely identify a person by analyzing pattern based on the person's facial textures and shape. Further, it will be explained by Raj.
Flowchart of a project. First of all, start a camera. Basically, camera work is capture photo and human detection. Then after face are detected in capture image and compared to stored data image. It's process called a recognition. In this case, two possibility. One possibility is a recognition is successful, then door unlock 30 seconds, then after close the door. And second case, image are not recognition, then process start to again, and it's continuous process until their original face are detected. Next, flowchart of image detection. First of all, add library to original data in how cascade file. Then after any time start photo capturing. At that time, photo convert DGR to gray color. Then after detect to face and box will be appearance on face or eyes. Then last final image will be appearance. Next, advantage and remedies. First of all, advantage, it's more secure, no need to carry key, fully automated, better performance, easy data save. and remedies is a need to continuous power supply. Sometime error in code. Next, future work for research use of multiple face detection. The majority of present research has been a single face detection security use will are upgrade this and a logic for a single time multiple face detection security system. And detection, there has been little work done on the identification of multiple object detection. And we make a compare a multiple face and detect a final store face and then operate. Further explain is Rusi.
Now we come upon the hardware part. So we are having here a Raspberry Pi 3B module, a TFT display and an RPI camera. So here we can see this is the 3B module of Raspberry Pi and RPI camera is connected to it, and we are using an HDMI cable to see the data of Raspberry Pi on the screen, and we have given a data cable from Raspberry Pi to TFT display to power up the display. So here we come upon the coding part. Here we are going to use the NumPy and CV2 libraries. Cascade files are used here to detect the frontal face and eye. Here the output of from camera is read and converted from color image to gray image. As any kind of image processing needs gray format, so it is converted into gray image. Then the face and eyes will be detected from here as dimension and color of box is given here, and from here we are going to get the final output. So let's run and test the code. So this is the final output of our project. Thank you.